per your understanding, what are the differences between the various curriculums being offered today?
If you look at CBSE, it's just touching the basic points of it. But IGCSE and IB, they go into the depth of the subject, not only touching the basic points, details, and going into the details of each subject and the core of the subject. It's not that touching it and finishing it, nothing like that.
I think largely, at least speaking of this particular area, I think largely we get to choose between CBSE and then the international board, which is the IGCSE board. So after all the research that I have done, I think the difference that I find is there's a lot of emphasis on written tests and everything. There's a lot of books that you need to do in CBSE, whereas in IGCSE it's more hands-on. Everything is more practical, and you get to choose a variety of subjects. You can choose as per your personal favorites also, and you get a choice to experiment, to learn, and they also conduct not only written tests but a lot of oral and listening. So there's an overall development that you can actually aim at when you're choosing an IGCSE over a CBSE.
Ma'am, there are different curriculums being offered at many schools these days.
Yes.
Does it really confuse a child or as a parent like you, or does it give more options?
No, not at all. They do not confuse a child. Rather than they give wide opportunity for the child to decide what curriculum he has to go in for and what are the subjects he is good in. It's not that forcibly we are telling the child that you have to study this subject, not at all. It's the strength of the child that is taken care of, and then the child selects the subject, and it really helps the child a lot.